As OpenText has released a new version of the TX1 last month, I will show you a new way how to upgrade the firmware using the web interface. To get the latest release 20.2, go to the Tableau Download Center and download the update utility first. After the installation of the software, save the TX1 firmware to your local computer under SD cards, save TX1 firmware, and save. There are several different ways to update your TX1 described in the user guide. In our case, we are using a network share from our local storage to store the firmware and run the update from there. I will show you how to do this in a minute. But first, I need to upload the firmware onto my storage. Now connect to your TX1 using a web browser. Log in with a user who has admin rights. After a successful login, go to Sources or Destinations. Connect either manually to your storage or use a predefined connection on the bookmark. After a successful mount, go to the menu in the upper left corner and select Firmware version. Press the button Update Device Firmware and open the storage connection to browse to the firmware file. Hit Update to start the firmware update process. Be patient, the update process can take several minutes and will end with a restart of your TX1. After the restart, log in again and check the firmware version to ensure that the process went as expected. Thanks for watching.